5 o'clock. Time to pack, time to go, time to cycle.
5:30, I wanna sleep.
Some food.
What do we have for 50k?
More 50k.
How's your day in the office?
My day is good. How is your day?
Yeah, today the office is quite busy day.
It's Monday, right?
It's Monday? No.
Yeah,
No, Tuesday.
Monday.
Tuesday. Today's Monday.
You know what it's time for today?
Aldo.
Dang.
Aldo de Cana.
Nice.
So what are you guys doing?
Okay. We're gonna just finish our lunch and then go to bed. We have more meat from us.
What are you doing?
I think I'm gonna sit on my bike and cycle for a few more kilometers. Didn't hurt enough today. That's it. See you guys tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
What happened?
Ah, I have pain. Oh, fuck.
Did you fall?
No. I was bitten by an animal. I think it was a bee. Be careful, it's a cactus.